Hi guys, the Home Service Pro here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop a shutoff valve behind a toilet from leaking. So this is the shutoff that's given us problems. The customer had called me and said that they had a puddle of water on the floor behind the toilet. So the two most common spots for this toilet shutoff to leak from is the supply line nut and or what's called the packing nut. The packing nut seals the handle as it goes into the valve, so you can turn this knob through the valve, but yet you have to have that water seal in there. So that's what that is. It's a rubber that tightens down onto the valve stem to stop it from leaking. So we're going to go ahead and try and tighten up the supply line first and see if that guy takes care of it. It is pretty loose. You don't got to go super tight with these because these are rubber sealed. So let's take a look at that and see if that stopped that drip. No, it looks like it's still trying to drip there, so let's go after that packing nut. And again, you just got to get this snug. That does not need to be like super tight. So let's take a look at that and see what that does. It does not look like it's dripping anymore. So most likely it was that packing nut, but I went ahead and tightened up the supply line and the packing nut. Now there's no more leak. Them are the two most common leaks with any stop, including underneath sinks and or... Well, there you go, guys. We fixed the stop from leaking. It's no longer leaking behind the toilet. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe below. It does help my channel grow. Have a great day, and remember, you can do this. We'll see you in the next one, guys. Thanks.